I'm in my prime, optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist.
Hey guys, it's your girl, the Makeup Plug, aka Miss Wilson Baby, and I'm back again with another video. Today I did a smoky eye with the James Charles palette. Yes, I did. And this look came out wonderful. Obviously, smoky eyes are quick. It literally took me 10 minutes to do this look. It didn't take it long at all. But the only reason why I wanted to do a smoky eye is just because I kept seeing the same look over and over and over and over again on social media and on YouTube. So I was like, let me do a smoky eye because I want to show you guys how versatile this palette is. Like, this is really a wonderful palette. So yes, if you like what you see, stay tuned. And if you have not already, do not forget to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. So yes, stay tuned, y'all.
Okay, my eyebrows are already done. Would y'all believe me if I told you I did it with brow powder only and not dip brow? And now I'm just taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance and putting that on my lids. And this is the James Charles palette. I'm going in with that first transition color. I don't remember the names because I lost that little transparent thing. And I'm just buffing that all over my crease just so it's easier to blend when I bring all the other colors in for when I do my smoky eyes, so it won't be harsh lines everywhere. And I'm taking this color, and what I'm going to do, because these are pressed pigments, I'm literally going to press it into my crease area and then I'm going to buff it out. And mind you, I'm using the same brush for literally all the colors. And you see how well this is blending out after now that I'm buffing it into my lid. Like, this color is very beautiful and these shadows are so buttery. And I'm only speeding this clip up just because I already showed you guys what I did on the other eye. So I'm not doing anything new or anything like that. And now we're going to go in with that deep brown shade next to the black, that one, and I'm going to put that in my outer V area. I'm only doing this just because I like a gradient effect for a smoky eye. I just don't like a pitch black smoky eye with one transition color. Personally, I don't like that. So that's why I'm taking my extra couple steps. And now we're taking that black color and I'm going to put this all over my lid. And I'm actually using the Anastasia brush that came in all of her palettes. And I'm just taking that flat side and I'm buffing that all over my eyes. Well, pressing it, sorry. And before I add any more color, I'm just buffing out the edges just so it won't be harsh. And I grabbed a little bit more black to clean up my outer edges and to also marry it to the other colors that I have on my lid. And right here I am using the other side of that Anastasia brush. I'm using the synthetic part and I'm actually tapping more pigment on top of my eyes. It wasn't patchy or anything like that. I just wanted to take precaution. Okay, I'm done my eye. I'm gonna do the other eye and the rest of my face off camera, but I just wanted to come in and show you guys what it looks like. And I just want to show you guys blending is key. This is just a close-up of my eye. This is just, the left is the after, the right side is the before, so it will be a process. Okay guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this look, y'all. I literally love this palette. I love it.
Okay guys, I had to touch up really quick, but this is my final look with the James Charles palette. Your smoky eye does not have to be dramatic like mine. I just chose mine to be very dramatic just because that's how I like my smoky eyes. But for you guys, you can just follow the video and just do liner and some mascara at the bottom. But if you like this look, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, guys. So yes, this look should not take you no longer than 10 minutes. I always tell people to do your smoky eye before you do your face, just so you won't get any fallout. But yes, this palette is so pigmented, y'all. This has been one of my holy grails. I hope this palette stays like this and does not change or anything like that. I really do love this palette. So yes, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media. And stay tuned for next week's video. So yes.